So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about a new opportunity where you can just learn, earn and get a chance to get an iPhone also. Apart from this, there will be some cool prizes and cash prizes too. Now we are talking about the Spark Force 4.0. Now this is a simple hackathon and it's the first world's biggest Databricks hackathon. And here the criteria is that anyone can take part in it, whether you are a fresher, experienced, postgraduate, undergraduate. Currently, the date for the round one is not yet announced. And first of all, let's understand the criteria and the event. Okay, so here you can see these are the prizes. Okay, you'll be getting cool wireless headphones, a chance to network. Apart from this, there'll be iPhone 17, Datafrix vouchers, tablets, JBL speakers, and more. Okay, now here something you might be thinking that what will be the system. So there will be round. First round will be of MCQ, which will include the topics related to Databricks, SQL, Apache, RDBMS, data warehouse. Okay, they'll just do it's like an online MCQ exam. After that, once you get selected, there'll be coding round, which will include two challenges. Okay, there'll be two Python based programming and you have to just showcase your coding and problem solving skills. After you are selected for round 2, there'll be just round 3. Here you have to just work on the scenarios, means you'll be given a task, you have to work on it and just fix it. After that, there'll be a final round where it's the which is the interaction round. Okay, here they will interact with you and it will be a fun session. Basically, you can see it's a watch party kind of event. So once you win, you'll be getting these prizes. So make sure to take part in it. It's free of cost. You have to simply check the link in the description, register it and take the benefit of it. So do like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you want to participate in the Google Cloud Arcade, you can also check the description box. I have attached the registration video. So thank you. Have a great day.